Okay. Today we're going to do Roman profiles in our lab one, home lab version one. Actually, I'll just explain how the Roman profiles works. Uh, as an example, if someone works in one computer today, logging into its Active Directory credential and work with some files in and saved into a desktop, and following day when he comes into work and go into another computer and logging into that what roaming profile does, it will direct the file into the second computer desktop. So that means the roaming profile direct the files into a shared folder. That shared folder, when you're logging into that profile, the shared folder direct all the files into the PC, which is the user going to log in into. That's files and settings, right? So when you create in roaming profiles, you need to make sure you have to create roaming profiles in a drive which got a good space. Otherwise, when you adding more users in roaming profile, it will build up more files and it's going to run out of space one day and you're going to get a problem. One thing you can do is to uh, escape that problem is to enable quota for users needed. Anyway, what we're going to do today, I have started the DC01 a server with two other workstations. And the plan is to create users here and put them into a group. And then I'm going to create role profile for these users. And I'm going to log in into one of the users to one of the workstation and create some files in the desktop. And then log off from that workstation and logging into a second workstation and to see whether the files are available in the second workstation. All right, let's get it started. Uh, Last video, I showed you to how to create bulk users in Active Directory. What I did in this server, I have created some group of bulk users in that Active Directory, and we're going to use these users. So in this one, I created the new organization unit department called marketing, and under marketing, I created another new organizational unit, and that organizational unit I created about 10 users, and then users are ready to go as you saw in the last video. So good use one of the shared folder in the same computer. I got a new E drive here, right? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder, shared folder. Let's call it R profile, right? R profile. This is where this folder is where resides all these roaming profiles for this user. Okay, the first thing is go to property. Then under property, go to sharing and advanced sharing and share this folder, right? And make sure you put the dollar sign here, right? And you go permissions, add all, apply, okay, and apply, okay. And then you go to security tab, right? The security tab, go to advanced, right? In the roaming profiles, you should not have access one users to the other user's profile. So to make sure we need that permission, we have to remove this allow users to access to this shared folder. First thing I had to do is I had to enable inheritance here. Sorry, disable inheritance, and then have to remove these two users, right? First thing I had to do is click on disable inheritance, right? Disable inheritance means convert inherited permissions into explicit permissions on this object, right? So click on that. And so when you remove it will remove the inheritance, right? And once you remove that, and we have to add the creating folder and writing data into that folder. So I'm going to go add, right? So select principal, right? I'm going to select that group, marketing, right? Let's search. All right. So this is the group, marketing staff. That's the one I created, right? So press OK. That's OK. And then first thing I'm going to do, allow this folder only, right? And then now we have to do some advanced permission, right? Create files and write data, and create folders and append data, right? And you press OK, right? Apply, press OK. Let's close. One more thing I need the path for this profile, right? So the property, sharing, you need to make sure you copy this path in the this path, right? So I'm going to copy this path, copy, right, cancel, and then I'm going to go to users, Active Directory users and computer, and drive. That's coming. All right. So the thing is, the all users are in the marketing staff group. What I'm going to do is going to select these users, right? Right click, properties. Oh, sorry. If I can, I don't want to select the users here. Properties. Once you go to properties, make sure you're not selecting the group, right? Go to profile, right? And then you click on profile path, right? And put this one, and then you put a slash and got username, username, percentage mark, right? And you go apply and press OK, right? And let's have a look at one of the users here, right? Click on this user. Okay, go to properties. You can see his profile is automatically created in here, right? And let's go to know one of the other users. Right? Go to properties and have a look profile. So this one is created as well, right? Okay, now go into here. Right? Let's do update. TP update post. We make sure my messages are running. Okay, so they're coming back. Messages are running. All right, that's good. So TP update post. Okay, updating policies. Okay, that's fine. I think it's light. The update post. Because some of the servers are not running. So, all right, so let's hopefully it should work. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is need to make sure create a YAML OS, right? Let's use six users, right? All right, so properties, property, um, uh, okay. Just going to open this one, notepad and give that user's name, right? Right. Okay. So let's go into workstation one. Right. Okay. Let's try to log in the file that user. Right. Other user. Right. How do you spell AIYANA? AIYANA dot Yana. TORRES. TORRES. Right. The password. Okay, going to create a folder in, right? I, okay, it's getting ready, right? All right, so this one is creating. Let me have a quick look what it is. Okay, that user is logged. Let me try to copy something from my desktop. I'll see whether I can copy the three files, right? Copy and see whether I can copy the three files into this desktop, right? Not possible. Well, let me try one more time. Copy, paste, right? So I've got the three files, autopilot file, three files here, right? That's fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now log out from this machine and I'm trying to logging into this workstation too, right? Let's see how long will it take, but I don't think it will take so long, right? So sign out. I should be able to see that file. Okay, so sign out. Let's log into this one. Okay, other user AIYANA AIYANA dot for a PORRES PORRES, right? Just looking into the second workstation. Let's see whether, yeah, see that? You can see that files are coming into here. So that means the files are syncing. So if we go and have a look here, let's see whether what is there. Right? So go to our profile, right? See that the profile is already created here, right? So can't go because I don't have permission to go with someone else, right? Let's try another user, right? Let me get now one more user, right? Uh, all right, I have to find out. I don't know users in there. All right, so cherry snow, right? So I copy here, one, and go here. If okay, so let's go into okay, let's log off from here, sign out, sign out, signing out. Let me log into here, other user, right? What is the name of that user? Charis North, PHR dot no, right? Charis North, uh, password for him. All right, I probably keep there. All right, the profile is creating. All right, getting ready. Take up several minutes. Doesn't take several minutes, so it should be ready almost there. So, oh, ready. All right, yes, desktop. I'm going to create a new text document. All right, text document. Test 1. All right. It's the page document. All right. All right. We're going to save this one. Save. All right. Okay. I'm going to log off from here. Sign out and go into here. Okay. Okay. For other users, CHERISH cherries. No. Right. Logging in. Let's see whether that test file I created is available here. Yeah, that one is available, right? Right. Okay, so this one is gone. Okay, let me open this one. I'm going to add something in here. Okay, I add this line, right? There I add this line, page, and I'm going to logo, sign out, right? And I'm going to log into this one now, right? Okay, the one is there. So we'll have a look whether that line is there now. Okay, see that? Hey, I add this line. So everything is there. So I think uh, this is what it's all about. But let's go quick have a look this one as well before we finishing that video. So if we go to here, that profile is created for him as well, right? That's just good. All right. So I think this is for today. We'll see you from next video.